Hello friends and welcome to Ticker TV's commodity market update. My name is Jateen Trivedi. I'm senior research analyst with LKP Commodities. So let's get started for this week's market update on the commodities. So we are seeing a good amount of buying witnessed on the first initial day of the new week. That is on 24th of May. We have seen a strong amount of buying witnessed in the first half of the bullions especially. Also, the international prices are holding the levels quite smartly as mainly the gold prices have been holding the rates at the levels of around 1875 1870 zone on the spot prices. Silver also has been holding 2750 2750 odd levels on the spot prices, as we have seen some profit booking happening at higher levels due to the base metals where the prices have corrected, and so has it has been reflected on the silver front as well. But broadly, if we see the trend remains positive for gold and silver both. If you talk about the levels which are important right now are at the levels of around uh, 500 to 73,000 for silver on resistance point. On support front, 70,500 to 70,000 acts as a strong support zone. If the prices fall below 70,000, then we can see the levels of around 68,500 being tested. On the gold front, 48,600 to 48,800 will act as a small resistance point. But if all prices do start trading above 48,800, 48,700 in fact, then we will see strong buying happening again, which will take the prices towards 49,000 to 49,200 odd mark in this week itself. On the lower levels, 48,400 to 48,300 will act as a supportive zone. If the prices do fall below 48,300, then we will see selling pressure being escalated towards the levels of around 47,700 to 47,800 on the downside. Talking about the base metals, where the whole action has been last week. So, the overall pack of base metals look weak for this week again, but some amount of short covering rally can be witnessed, as we have seen strong selling pressure being witnessed since last 10 trading sessions in all the base metals. The levels which are important for copper are at the levels of around 745 to 750 for resistance point, 725 to 720 as supportive zone. On the zinc front, 230 to 232 will act as a minor resistance point, and about 232, 236 to 238 remains a strong resistance point as well. On the lower side, 224 to 222 acts as a supportive zone for silver. Below 222, prices may fall towards the levels of around 215-16 odd levels. On the nickel front, 1250 1270 acts as a resistance point, and 1880 to 11 sorry 1180 to 1160 acts as a supportive zone for nickel prices. The overall base metal pack remains negative till the time the metal index is trading below 15,100. So broadly, you should be taking a viewpoint on the metal index. If the metal index is trading below 15,100, till then the base metal complex remains weak. Some bounce do yes, definitely expected towards the levels of around 14,800 to 14,900, and thereon we might see again the selling pressure being witnessed. This comes to the last part of our today's commodity market view, that is on the crude and natural gas. Crude prices have been stable at higher levels, and the OPEC front meetings do give a strong trend on the crude front. So as of now, the levels are quite holding the levels of around 4650 4680 zone. So till the time 4650 is intact, crude prices will remain positive. But if and all you do find the levels of crude oil below 4650, then some selling pressure will be witnessed towards the levels of around 4500 as well. On the higher side, 4820 to 4850 acts as a resistance point. If and all you do have a long position intact in crude oil prices, then one should be keeping it with the stop loss of 4650 on the lower end. On the higher end, 4800 4850 is the profit booking zone for crude oil prices. Natural gas prices are volatile and weak again. Till the time they are trading below 215 16 odd zone, the prices will remain weak. And on the downside, 202 203 looks quite achievable on the natural gas front. So this is about it from me, guys, on the commodities market weekly update with Ticker TV. This is Jatin Trivedi signing off. Thank you very much.